Hi folks, Tim here from High-End Cheap Tech, and today I just got home from work and we're going to check out this case I got in the mail. It's a Tudia case. I ordered it from Amazon. It's a Tudia Linn case. It's basically a TPU case, but it's going to wrap up and over the edges on the Mobile G3, which obviously means I'll be shooting the actual product install and a few things like that from the Blue Studio Energy 2. So let's get right to that intro. We'll open the case up, we'll install it, and then we'll talk a little bit about why you should have a case on any phone you own. Quit worrying about what the back cover looks like. Let's get right to the intro now. Okay, I'm back. We're now shooting with the Blue Studio through the dongle with the headphone jack and the external mic, where we are going to get much better light. We've got the original Tudia case on here, which, as you can see, if you look close, the glass sticks slightly above the stock TPU case, which we're now going to remove. Yay. Yes, I know. People are cheering everywhere because they know they're about to see the back of this thing. So we've got the old case off, the stock case. We're going to set that aside for a moment, maybe somewhere else. And then we're going to just lay the phone down. Got some nice soft paper towels there. And here's our Tudia Linn case. So let's get it out of the package. And this is somewhat difficult to do from behind the camera. Not used to doing this a lot, but there we go. And there's our packaging. We're going to set that aside. And then we're going to pop out the little interior piece here. And what we've got is a nice, thick TPU case. Really thick. Got our buttons up here. And let's go ahead and for the last time say goodbye to that rear brilliantly made back cover. We don't need that. That's not important. That is not your concentration with your cell phone. So we'll stick it up in the corner and then we'll kind of put it in all the way around until the case comes up and over. And as you can see now, yes, we have clearance. I can now set this sucker face down. Oh, you can see a little bit of the case. Reach my fingerprint reader and no problem. Well, there it is. And we got it open. So let's go over a couple of things. Now I went with gray because I figured that was the most mundane color I could think of, because the color don't matter. The buttons all should work. Our volume up and down. Yep, they work fine. And we can turn it off and unlock. And there we go. And let's take a picture of something. What do we got here? We got a screwdriver. We'll try that. So we're gonna make sure there's no shadowing or anything like that around our image. There we go. And let's just snap a shot off. And then we'll have a look at it. Eventually, here we go. Nice and clean, no shadowing around the edges. So the case is not going to interfere with our cameras or anything like that. So, all that being said, this is a great case. It was $14.90. It does have some grippy material here. Nice and grippy on the sides. Kind of rough. It's just a better case than the stock TPU case. Simple as that. It fits really good. It's going to take, I don't know, about a day to wear in a little, but it gives us that little bit here of protection. You need that. That's why you put a case on. The back cover of your phone, get over it, folks. It's whatever color it is. You didn't buy the phone to show it off to your friends. You bought the phone to use it. And when you drop this thing, this has some pretty thick rubber on the corners. It's going to hold up well. And the gray color is probably going to, be fairly durable over the years. It also comes in a blue or another color. And I'll link it in the description below. But now let's get to the real point. I don't care if you only invested $200 in a smartphone. You're going to probably drop it. Unless you grip it like so tightly it's ridiculous. Which, that may happen. A lot of people do things like that. But in truth, it's an excellent investment. Even a rubber case like this, as long as it's a little heavier than the stock case. And the stock case, I thought, was adequate. It just didn't come up over the edges. So it was a little substandard. The stock case on the Blue Studio that we're shooting on, well, by God, that's been on there forever. I've laid the thing face down a million times. It wraps over the edge. It's got nicks and scratches in it because I dropped this thing 26 times. So, get a case, take care of it, and if you found this video the least bit informative, helpful, entertaining, interesting, anything, make sure you go out and share it. Give us a thumbs up. Those are super neat and very helpful. And subscribe to the channel. It takes 1 second. So at the end of this, I'll throw up a couple of videos in the corners here, up there and over here. And you go ahead and check out those videos too. And please share this video on all your social media sites. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, anything. It'll help. Thanks for watching.